Hi, my name is David Jones of David Jones Marketing, also of Passive Online Success. Welcome to the channel. You haven't seen me put out a video in some time, but I have been working behind the scenes, and what I want to do going forward on this channel is to be extremely transparent with you guys, to share my knowledge both in the affiliate marketing circle and also in the making money online niche. And there are also going to be platforms, there are going to be resources that from time to time I will feature, and I will be doing videos on them, the kind of tools that you will need in your affiliate marketing business if that is your goal, if that's the area, the business model that you want to use. And in today's video, especially, we're going to be looking at a new program that recently came out, or I should say a revamped version perhaps, of the program known as Affiliate Legion. And this program is by Dan Can, a 25-year-old entrepreneur, excuse me, who has not only created this program, but has made quite a killing with it. So without further ado, let's dive into today's review and why you should perhaps consider Affiliate Legion if you are a beginner, if you are now coming on to the platform as far as the internet goes and seeking to make some money online, work from home, work from anywhere, living the laptop lifestyle. This program could very well be the program that you may need. Now, Affiliate Legion, as I said before, is run by Dan Can, and he is assisted by none other than Philip Johanssen. Philip Johanssen was once a student of his name eludes me now, but he was once the student of another seven-figure earner. And he's helping Dan here because actually he is supposed to be Dan's business partner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my account with Affiliate Legion and show you what the back office looks like, what you can expect if you decide to hop on board Affiliate Legion with me. I'll share everything that I know. I will pull the curtains back, but this is perhaps one of the most well planned and thought out programs that I've seen in this realm for some time. And I kid you not. Now, before I even tell you what it costs to get started with Affiliate Legion, let me log in so that you can actually see what you will see. Okay, so we are logged into the Affiliate Legion, and I am probably going to have to get some assistance because I find that while I am logged in, there is, so let me show, let's go through it. We have here Affiliate Legion. Here we have the dashboard. That's what you're seeing here right now on the screen. Then obviously to log out, you have done for you assets, and you have the ambassador done for you money system. The ambassador done for you money system is basically what I would consider to be the flagship product, where they'd set you up, they do everything possible for you. You have nothing to do, but you do have to pay for that. So that's like on the back end. So the done for you assets now, that's another kettle of fish, so to speak. The done for you assets is actually an upgrade to the original program. And but when you see what the original program has to offer, you are going to be blown away. Now, this is what you see when you come into the program, when you log into your account. And you can see here on the left, there are, I never did count them, but let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, about 20 of these tabs over to the left, beginning with the welcome. And when you click on the welcome tab, well, you'll see this welcome video. This is the welcome video with Dan Can here. You get to see what he looks like. And right away, there's an upsell here. He's offering to ask you to watch his $1 million web class. But let me show you some of the features of what you will get when you purchase this program, this course. First, you have the welcome. Then you can see after the welcome and the ticks that you're seeing, that's just to show that I've gone through these already because I really wanted to get into it and see what it's all about. You have introduction to Philip, your millionaire traffic coach. And if I click on that, just so you can see what Philip looks like, well, Dan is going to talk about Philip, but then you're going to see Philip come on. And I just want you to see Philip so that you see that this is indeed Philip Johanssen. For those of you who don't know what he looks like, this is what Philip Johanssen looks like of 7-Figure Accelerator. So you also have join the community. That's where you join the Facebook group. You have I send you sales. This is a part also of the essential aspects of the program now coming in. You have monthly giveaways and you have introduction to Bill. Bill is someone who does the monthly questions and answers in the Facebook group. And from time to time, Dan will also play a part in that so that you can get your questions answered. Now, if we go through the tabs, we will see that we have here money will always match your mindset. Let's see what's involved in that. Well, they have solidify your goals, why you won't fail, what is your why. Then in the next one, we have the money system. What exactly is the money system? You have the baby analogy, what is affiliate marketing, money system overview, tools that you need to build your empire, choosing your niche, dream customer profile, product selection, getting your affiliate link, creating your opt-in page. This course leaves nothing untapped. It lays everything out for you. Your opt-in page with WordPress. That's next. You have an introduction, hosting and domain purchase, a Weber form creation for those of you who are minded and already have a Weber. If you don't, there's always get response, etc. And then you have here build your opt-in page with System.io. Now, System.io is a platform that came out within the last couple of years. It's actually a free page builder, but it also offers so much more. And of course, as you scale up, you can move it from the free version to the paid version, where you will be able to make, I think, at least 10 funnels before having to scale it if you want to be able to make more funnels. Of course, I also actually right now I'm using a funnel builder that gives me unlimited funnels, and it doesn't cost as much as ClickFunnels or the same system once you pay to upgrade. But more about that in a future video. I may even leave a link in the description of this one. Who knows? Then it says then they're dealing with traffic, the lifeblood of any online business, and they go through a number of things that you will need to know once you're looking at traffic for your business. And wow, look at this. Look, intro to traffic, 2 choices, your account setup, endless content, struggling with your bio, live demo, shooting reels, from viral videos, find viral videos for max views. They don't leave anything out in this. This guy covers practically everything. And the thing about it is that there's one here called email marketing, mailing strategy to print money every day. And with that particular section there, in dealing with that, not only do you get the video here, which is 15 minutes long, you also get 30 email swipes. So they're also providing you with email swipes that you can send out to start building your list, etc. There's email mastery. There is there's the overview of that, product selection, etc. There is also YouTube mastery. Let me see here. YouTube mastery. There's outsourcing, upload and outrank competition. You name it, they probably have it. Video ideas, record your screen, how to film your videos, fast video editing. All of this is included in Affiliate Legion. How much do you think this program costs? You would not believe it if I told you. This program basically costs you $9.97 basically is what you pay to get into this program. $9.97. At one point it was $7, but with the $7 option, I think that is a paid kind of subscription. So you're gonna be paying that from month to month. But if you pay the $9.97, boom, that's it, you're in. And then there is an upsell. The upsell is called Done For You Assets. And if I go back, you'll see up here, Done For You Assets. And then there's the Ambassador Done For You Money System, which, as I told you, is the flagship product. So this is what Affiliate Legion is all about. I'm not going to show you anymore because I think I would have shown you sufficient, enough at least for you to make a decision. Because when you think about it, this is going to cost you $10, and I'm suggesting that for all that is within this back office and for all the training and the steps that you go through in each of these modules here, $10 is a steal for a program like this, notwithstanding the fact that you also have the opportunity as an upsell to get the Done For You assets. I'm not going to disclose that cost. And then there's also the Done For You money system. Now you can also apply to be an affiliate for this program as an ambassador. And you'll also be introduced to the platform that this system is found on. At one point, they used to use Warrior Plus, but they don't use Warrior Plus anymore for reasons that I don't need to go into at this time. But this is a program that I highly recommend to anyone who is now coming into the affiliate marketing game, wants to learn all about it, wants to be able to go at their own pace, and certainly is pure value for money. You can't go wrong. I have showed you that this is a program by Dan Can, and he has ably assisting him, his business partner, Philip Johanssen of Seven Figure Acceleration. So that's all I have for you in this video. I just wanted to go through briefly this new program on the blog. In the description of this video, I will have a link for Affiliate Legion. I'll also have a link for the Ambassador, the flagship product. Certainly, this is not something to be missed. And what I've also recognized in a lot of these programs is that when you come to a program like this, the objective is to take action. 95% of the people who fail because they fail to take action. I know that Done For You is not something that I personally like. I like to get my feet wet. I like to experiment. I like to learn. I like to try out and stuff like that. But not everyone is tech-minded or tech-savvy. There are some persons who would want to have that stuff done for them. So if that's you, then you don't have to worry because they covered that for you in this program as well. The thing, however, is that Once you get into it, you take your time, you go through the many modules of training, and you will be surprised to know that by the time you have finished doing that, you have so much knowledge at your fingertips that there's nothing stopping you from hitting six figures within the year. I kid you not. So that's it. This is all I wanted to share with you for today. I thank you for tuning in. And in my next video, I'm not sure, I want to do a video where I look at some of the tools that you would want to have at your disposal, having decided to come into the affiliate marketing zone. Now, bear in mind, like everything else, this is a journey. And there are going to be certain stages of your journey that will call for certain equipment. Certainly when you're starting out and you don't have a lot of money or a big budget, you will also want to be very conscientious when it comes to spending money and learning what you would need and what you would have to do and how you can maximize what needs to be done, hopefully utilizing the least expenditure that one would expect. So we're going to look at that in the next video. I'm going to ably name that video resources, and we're going to be looking at some of the resource tools that you will need as an affiliate marketer, as someone now coming into the game. What do you need up front? What do you need right away? Do you need any tools at all? You know, stuff like that. So I thank you for watching, and I thank you for being here with us. What I will do before I close is I will share with you, this is what the flagship product here looks like. A free masterclass reveals how to build a seven-figure affiliate marketing business from 0 to $1 million in 4 easy steps. And this is from the top 1% affiliate marketing in the world, Dan Can. And you just click here to register now. So this is also something that I will link in the, I will put this in the description area if you want to attend this free masterclass. Jumpstart your affiliate marketing business with secrets known only to elite top earners. And this is Dan Can here. Meet your host, affiliate marketing genius, Dan Can. He's going to take you through those 4 keystones. And that is basically that. So here we have Philip Johanssen again. Before I met Dan, I used to live in a basement. I was $20,000 in debt. I had nothing to my name. I hated my 9-to-5 job. He used to be a plumber, actually. And 2 years later, I made over $1 million online. This is Philip Johanssen. So, folks, that is a wrap. That's all for this video. I hope you truly got value out of this. And certainly, I look forward to actually being there, helping you out. If you decide to join me, join my team, I'll also have some very nice bonuses to share for those who decide to join with me. And that's all I have to say. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And this is David Jones signing off. Until next time, over and out.